The plane crash in Nepal has left at least 18 people dead. The flight carrying 17 passengers and 2 crew members skidded off the runway while taking off in Kathmandu. It immediately burst into flames and fell into a gorge near the runway. Plumes of smoke were seen rising near the Tribhuvan International Airport. The incident is tragic, but not uncommon in Nepal. Its mountainous terrains and poorly maintained flights have proven to be a recipe for disaster. But after the incident, the spotlight is on the runways. The crash occurred at a tabletop runway. For those unversed, a tabletop runway is one located on plateaus or hills. It is more elevated than its surrounding terrain, usually overlooking a steep drop on the sides. It's tricky to operate on and leaves slim margin of error for the pilot. It's not just Nepal which is home to tabletop runways. India also has 5 of them. Where exactly? Let's take a look. Shimla Airport in Himachal Pradesh, Kozhikode International Airport in Kerala, Mangaluru International Airport in Karnataka, Lengpui Airport in Mizoram, and Pakyong Airport in Sikkim. Out of these, the airports in Mangaluru and Kozhikode have witnessed big crashes in the past. In 2010, an Air India Express flight from Dubai crashed while landing in Mangaluru. 158 passengers were killed. 10 years later, in 2020, another Air India Express flight from Dubai to Kozhikode crashed while landing. It was part of the Vande Bharat mission to bring back Indian nationals stranded due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The plane skidded off the tabletop runway and crashed. 19 passengers and both the pilots died. Fortunately, 169 others survived. Tabletop airports have been sites of tragedies. In India, they are periodically reviewed by the Civil Aviation Regulator, Directorate General of Civil Aviation, to ensure passenger safety. Its objective is to prevent any unforeseen incidents and make landings in these airports less challenging.